I got this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado that I'm restoring, and I want to thank everybody from Facebook for answering questions that I've posed over the year to keep this restoration process going. I got these 6 little questions about these hoses. First of all, I got a PVC valve hose. That's this thing right here, this black thing sitting on the top of the valve cover. Was that the AI told me that's what it's called, a PCV valve. Well, it connects in that hose, but it's a three-way hose, and there's a piece right there that's broke off. That hose is gone, and I don't know where that actual broke off piece connects to. I'm gonna replace all these hoses, but here it is again. That hose, where does that actually connect to? If anybody knows, I greatly appreciate it. You telling me. Number 2, I have a metal hose line coming off the rear of the engine that rides on the side of the valve cover, and got a little problem because that hose also broke. So you see this metal line going there. It turns and goes what looks like underneath the air condition modular, the air condition unit. And the hose breaks off. As you see right there, the tip just broke off. This is some old hoses from 1976, so they get brittle and break away. But I believe the hose is supposed to go underneath the AC unit and connect to another hose that is connected to what AI just told me, the automatic transmission vacuum modulator. So you got that sitting on the side of the distributor. It goes out, but it breaks off into a T. Let's see. It breaks off into that T. The right side goes around and down. So I'm thinking that must connect to the other side that I just showed you. So I'd have to buy a whole new hose for that, of course. But I just want to make sure that those connections are the right connection. Then to the left side, that hose, which is old and rotted, it spins around and connects to this. You can see the rust on that tip. Looks like the same rust that is actually in that hose. So correct me if I'm wrong, direct me if I'm mistaken, but all information is greatly appreciated. That's problem number 2. Let's see. Then I got another little situation, problem number 3. The front of the carburetor has a hose that broke off as well, and I'm not sure where it goes, but as you see here, the front of the carburetor, once upon a time there was a hose connected there, and that hose went somewhere. And since I don't have the hose or know where it actually went, if anybody can direct me to where that went, again, greatly appreciated it. Here's a close-up of it. It just came off, broke, and while I was cleaning this engine up, I should have video recorded all these broken hoses. Right there. Okay, problem number 4. I got a long hose going nowhere. If you see, if I get close on this hose, I'm not sure where this long hose, it's got a formed bend in it. But as you see that I'm showing this hose, I'm not certain where this attached to or where it went. That's how long the hose, it goes from the center all the way, the length of it at least is long enough to go from the center of the back of the engine all the way over to the fender. So if anybody has a hose like that and can tell me exactly where it went, that too, greatly appreciated. Long hose. And I guess problem number 5, is the heater control valve, which AI told me that thing right there, that orange piece where I painted it orange, it has a very long hose on it as well. And there is no telling where that actually connects to. It comes off that heater device, it is as long, the holes that's connected to it is as long as going all the way up to the front of the engine, or even going up to the front of the whole car. So if you might know where that connects to, again, any answer is better than no answer, and every answer is greatly appreciated. Lastly, I got this electrical connection that I'm puzzled at. I got the alternator all connected, but there's another electrical, two of them actually, that I'm unable to find. Now this first one, I have discovered that it goes to the back of the engine right there. So that one prong one plugs into the back of the engine, but this one right here, it is not the one that goes into the alternator, and I'm unable to find exactly where it goes. I'm at a loss for where that hose goes. So if you, not hose, but that electrical connection goes. It doesn't seem like it connects anywhere to the back of this alternator. So again, I should have made clearer photos before I took everything apart, cleaning up the engine. But if you can answer, you can answer in the Facebook comment, you can answer right on this YouTube comment. But again, any questions or any comments is greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot.